Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you a strategy that is taught in one of my classes. I'm giving you guys all this free stuff. Man, that's not good for me. But I like showing. So here we go. Back in on Friday, we had a bank institutional involvement here, and it's right here, if you see my cursor. And then basically it actually changed the trend going up. But then we had another, this is the weekend gap pretty much. Oops. And then basically we started up again here on the 18th. You see the dates. So weekend gap down, and then we trended upwards. So now we have a downtrend. It's not really a downtrend. It's just a small little pullback. Stocks go up and down, up and down, up and down. You see this up and down action. This is a fake out. This is a fake out breakout. Right now, people would be, let's sell short here. Well, guess what? That's going to go up, my friends. Yep. It's kind of actually trending sideways, but more than likely this is going to be a rally base rally. So I am looking forward for it to go over the 499 mark. The 106 495 mark, and then basically I'll be in the trade, and then it will be so high in the box range, which that the Japanese actually call it the box range. If you translate from Japan books and knowledge about candlesticks and support resistance ranges, they actually call it the box range. The box changes. The box can be, in one place 1 minute, and then all of a sudden it could flip into another box. So a box range right now is the current range, and it could there's a box above it, and there's a box below that box range. So it all depends on if it flips ups or down. So all those flipping, that's all described in one of my classes, and also the trend analysis here is described in another class. So this way, you guys get a little idea of what I cover in these classes, and what are you going to learn. This is totally different than what you probably learn in other places. Maybe you've learned it another, out there on the internet, but they don't teach you in depth, and they don't teach you why, and they don't teach you how to practice and apply this to any chart, pretty much. So you'll be taught how to apply it, how to make money from it, and how to save and money by applying risk management to it. This is what I teach, and there's a reason why I do it, because people will just teach it out there, and then okay, well, go ahead, go lose some money, and then come back and say, what did I do wrong? Well, we won't do that. At the very beginning, you'll do it over and over again until you get it right, and then basically, then we'll let you go. You'll lose less money because of risk management. You'll gain a lot because you'll let your profits run, and you're trading in the right box range. So I will update you later on. This should actually take a while, because right now it's only 5:05 p.m. on the Pacific time, and Asia doesn't come into play until another maybe 2 or 3 hours. They start to wake up, kind of deal. Australia is doing. They're just brushing their teeth pretty soon. So, but once Japan gets involved, then things start to get moving. Right before the London opening. So that's at 12 midnight. And that's a big market. So things move a lot at 12 midnight. Again, I'm giving you way too much information on these things. Man, I'm going to have to delete this at one point in time. But for now, I'll leave it out there for live. I'll give you all these little tips and tricks. But we'll see you in class. You better sign up.